Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. I'm about Sandy Home Recipe, and it was a holiday butter cookies. All ingredients are written in the description box below. Ebe use 200 g butter, 1 cup powdered sugar. Now the Google muna webiti. Webiti now the 1 egg, and now 1 teaspoon vanilla cannot cause webiti. Emra will beat now the 2 cup all-purpose flour, but the begum a little at a time. Now the 1 teaspoon baking powder, 2 tablespoons powder milk. No what for me do. One mix area no. Now the beer go piping bag me no a pipe. Back over the freezer for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, na obey. Put the 2 tablespoons on sweet cocoa powder. Egudo ni baakumu na waka ni nyina afra. The chocolate one no sakwache freezer for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, ansi na ebeyi ni atoa so. After 30 minutes, we had 2 wedding. Working surface now the flour so na fe the wetri. Now the biscuit cutter a cut it. In the shape I open na waka sa wedding. Wetra. We are now the akogu baking tray so. You buy a chocolate one so the fry begu working surface now the beer goose no so roll it. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video you post. And so no cut shape now open. Design be a upe be a ubetimi eden. Aye. If my choice and they can I will share a video. Remember to subscribe. Now I share. Now I like. Remember your notification bell. Say the video be a better one side then. Ebeka. Why design now pair every no. Now the aquashe freezer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, no way you know what to chat. And some wako bake. We are now baking 180 degrees for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, no way you have to oven, one manajo. And some now serve it. Wait till I spread it, jam and add chocolate, or biscuit in bimo. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video we will post. We are now the powdered sugar. What spread was by optional on fine. Now this is our holiday cookies. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.